voiced his support for UP CM Yogi Adityanath's "Batenge to Katenge" remark, accusing Congress sowing division. Modi's comments echo Yogi's sharp remarks about the opposition. That is what we are learning of right now on Republic TV. We will have a look at this report to understand this latest development coming in.
BJP star campaigner Prime Minister Modi is in Maharashtra ahead of the key state polls. Days after Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's "Batenge to Katenge" remark.
आप देख रहे हैं ना, बांग्लादेश में देख रहे हो ना, तो वो गलतियां यहां नहीं होनी चाहिए। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, सुरक्षित रहेंगे और समृद्धि की पराकाष्ठा को पहुंचेंगे। हमें विकसित भारत की संकल्पना को साकार करने के लिए कार्य करना है।
Prime Minister Modi has joined the bandwagon, making a similar address during his Maharashtra visit.
कांग्रेस और उसके साथियों का एक ही मिशन है, समाज को बांटो, लोगों को बांटो और सत्ता पर कब्जा करो। इसलिए हमें अतीत से सबक लेना है। हमें हमारी एकता को ही देश की ढाल बनाना है। हमें याद रखना है, अगर हम बटेंगे तो बांटने वाले महफिल सजाएंगे। हमें कांग्रेस और महाअघाड़ी वालों के मंसूबों को कामयाब नहीं होने देना है।
Over the growing calls for unity in India, the big question that emerges: when will politicians like Rahul Gandhi finally stop playing divisive politics?
All right, let's go to my colleague Sandeep joining us. And we heard that very powerful statement coming out from PM Modi when he addressed that major rally. If you could take our viewers through, why this is significant. He has backed Yogi Adityanath's statement when Yogi Adityanath was extremely clear that he will not tolerate unrest, he will not tolerate mafia, he will not also tolerate any kind of issues or law and order issues being created.
See, there is one thing that is common between the statement of Yogi Adityanath and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the kind of result that we saw in Uttar Pradesh and the kind of situation that is there in Maharashtra. Remember, the caste politics dominated a lot in Lok Sabha elections in Uttar Pradesh, not only just Uttar Pradesh, but also in the rural India as well. Apart from that, as far as Maharashtra is concerned, Shivangi, you can see that there are multiple communities like Maratha community, OBC community, SC/ST community, the Dhangar community. In fact, they have been protesting against each other for reservation. And this is something that has been a major challenge for Eknath Shinde and Bharatiya Janata Party's government in the state of Maharashtra. Ultimately, this was the first visit as the model code of conduct is very close and the dates of elections are to be announced. And as Prime Minister Narendra Modi was there, he had in fact taken on all the opposition party, including Congress party, and have alleged that they are doing the politics of divide, and hence he has appealed people of the Maharashtra to get united. Remember, it is the Hindu vote bank that BJP enjoys a lot, and if Hindus are divided, that will in fact have an impact on the upcoming assembly election. And for the same reason, this kind of statement of Batenge and Katenge is coming again from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Shivangi.